Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have assistive grid options, so these are the grid lines at this camera. By just one tap here in this button we can turn it on, or another tap to turn it off when we don't need it. Now let me keep this turn it on. Let's go back to the camera preview to see it. And as you can see we have these lines. This is useful for example when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go here to this button from the right to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. Of course, when we don't need them, we can easily tap again to the right corner, slide again to the capture settings and use this button to turn them off. So for now in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.